Hey again, this is Josh with Budget Mechanic. As you know, we're facing a global pandemic with the coronavirus, and one of the consequences of this has been a sudden and unforeseen shortage of bathroom tissue. So if you're unlucky enough to be staring down the barrel of an empty toilet paper roll and the shelves at your supermarket are empty, here at Budget Mechanic, we might have a solution for you using supplies that can be readily found at your local auto parts store or may already be in your garage. So what you're going to need is a saw and also a roll of shop towels. So stay with me and I'm going to show you how to take this $2 roll of shop towels and make it into an aesthetically pleasing and economical alternative in your bathroom. Now, because we want all of our rolls identical, we're going to measure 3 11/16 from each end. We're going to take some painter's tape. Obviously you want to leave the packaging on the roll, and as close as you can, wrap the tape at that mark. Then you're going to go around and make a couple more marks on the tape. The tape is to keep the plastic from getting all torn up. You'll take that off last. Starting on this mark. Cutting around the circumference so that I know that I'm hitting my marks. Really nice. Well, that only took a few minutes, but if you're lucky enough to have a Sawzall, they work even better. It's a little harder to stay on the lines. So there you go. The Sawzall method is a little bit of a rougher finish than the hacksaw, but I've got 3 perfectly good rolls of tissue that I can put in any household toilet paper dispenser. The added benefit of using a shop towel is they're very absorbent, strong even when they're wet. They're technically reusable, and they actually are quite soft on the skin. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you stay clean. And as always during these times, remember to wash your hands, stay away from people, and please subscribe.